I'm gonna try to record the best I can. I just hurt myself trying to juke Brandon, and I fell.
It's a brave warrior right here.
What is he doing? He's gonna get himself killed.
It's a brave soldier.
Oh my gosh.
He has to get to the specific stall. There's no way he's gonna make it because Brandon's waiting right there.
Apparently, Brandon.
Oh, stupid.
That was so dumb. He ain't gonna come in here. Oh, it's lost.
No, he's faking. He's
Oh
faking.
no, that's sad. Oh, poor Betty. Oh no.
You look like you come off Black Eyed Peas.
Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Boucher. I'm back here on campus. I know I'm looking dark as heck right now, but that's okay. Your boy's still looking crispy as heck. It's just me today. I'm so lonely. I can't handle it. Nah, I'm just playing. I really just wanted to talk to y'all for a sec, you feel me? So, I want to know, like, how my people's days going and stuff like that. And what they got going on. And all good stuff like that, you feel me? So, I just want to know about y'all, man. Just want to check up on y'all. I don't want to know y'all feel depressed or nothing. But anyway, let me get. I don't know what I'm talking about. I ain't talking about nothing. Let me stop talking. I ain't talking about nothing. So I'm about to make my way to Bridget's place, which is like right across the street or whatever. And we about to go in this basement. This is like a tornado shelter in her dorm. And we went to one day and we decided, hey, we could play games here. So we're going there now to play some games. When I mean games, I mean like hide and seek games, basically. Or freeze test, stuff like that. So we gonna go here, have some good old times with the good old peoples. I need to stop. I ain't talking about nothing. Dang, I ain't talking about nothing. So this is the place right here. That's it. Like I said, it's right across the street. I took like 10 steps to get here, basically, and I decided to turn the camera on. That's what I decided to do. So let me call Bridget, tell her I'm here, or Josh, tell her I'm here. They're gonna let me in. Got the boy right here. The boy in the cut.
You already know who it is. Is this for the Cali vlog?
This is for the Cali vlog.
Oh, we back in action.
We back in action. What we got going on today, Josh?
We got a little. We don't even have a name for this game.
Ah.
We gotta come up with a name for it.
Oh man.
It's this game we play. Very intense. I don't know how to describe it. I'm gonna say it's like.
Hey, it's good.
We're explaining to the Cali vlog.
The Cali
people.
vlog.
We're the Cali vlog, baby. BobbyTv, we back, baby.
Yeah,
Look at the beautiful people. We got the Cali vlog. BobbyTV's in the building.
What's
Round
good?
2, we're back.
The crew is all here.
Straight to the ground floor.
I've never been upstairs before. This is exciting. Hey, Bridget.
He got close as hell.
This is exciting.
I'm just gonna say cut it out because I know it's gonna end up in the video anyways.
Don't say
Cut
nothing.
that out.
Hey,
Often noise
oh
it
my
out.
gosh. Rooster noise is coming up here, right?
Rooster noise. Wait. If they're coming up, shouldn't they be back when I said it, not now? Here, say rooster noise is coming up again. Say it again. Rooster noise coming up. Fuck!
Oh my gosh, why would you say that?
Not a rooster noise. What do you mean, man?
Oh my. More if I don't cut it out. What you gonna do
Like
then?
it's just fucking your video. I don't know.
I'm gonna put it in the beginning of my video. Just do it.
Instead of an intro.
Hey, cut that out. Cut that out. I ain't mean to say that on camera.
Okay, so instead of an intro, we're gonna have him saying rooster noise is coming up, and then that's the intro.
Oh my goodness.
Like, shoot.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not gonna let you get this. All right, Brandon. So
This is the place.
Brandon's it.
What a
Better
lovely
get
place.
active.
Hey, are we about to have a hella good time in Cali?
Of course.
I have seen I was recording. So I'm it. And they're in there. They gotta get past me and go all the way down there. I already got Jacob. What's up, Jacob?
hey, what's up?
Oh, man.
Look, you're just chilling right there.
So I'm just watching them. I ain't got no problems. They got Annie right there. All of them are in there. Oh my goodness. I just gotta wait till they come out. You know, if you had no shoes on, you would probably got past me.
Yeah, I know. I didn't think about how loud my shoes were until I started walking and I heard like crunch type stuff.
It's pretty whack, man.
But I don't know.
Look at him.
Pull the fire alarm and shoot up.
Will I get up? Probably not.
Get up, not give up.
Oh, give up?
Get up.
Oh, get up. Nah, I'm in a good spot. There's no sprinklers that could hit me. Oh, man. You can just chill with me.
Here, just tag me back in and I'll go and sit in there with them.
How could I tag you back in?
Just let me out, just let me
How
out
does
of,
that
just let
work?
me out of jail, man.
How does that work?
Just free me.
How does that work,
I can tell you
man?
where Annie is. She's right there.
Oh, yeah. I know where the others are, too.
Yeah, they're probably all back there.
They're probably weren't over
If you
there.
had actually been looking around, this would have been a good spot for what you chose.
What you trying to say, Jacob?
I don't know, man.
Hey, buddy.
Man,
What you doing?
normally that works. Normally they don't notice me so quick. I've been doing that like half the time.
Come on, man.
Just pick a room. Tell me where to go.
I gotta tag you first. And
No,
then,
you don't. Just pick a
Uh-huh.
room. Come on, man. Just
Come
pick
on.
a room.
Just let me tag you first.
Pick a room,
Just let
alright?
me tag you first.
Pick a room. Ah, man. I guess I'm here now.
Yeah, I guess you are.
Hey, but if you really want to let me out, Annie and Bridget are back there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man.
I think I'll get them later.
All right.
I choose the utility room.
Ah, Jesus. Hey, come on.
I am very out of breath. I am out of shape. That's my job. Oh, do it. Do it. It's the utility room. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Do it. Oh my goodness. Hey, you guys. Just run. I'm quite in the predicament. Now you have to slap my neck. Now you have to slap my neck. Where you going?
Get back in jail.
Come on, man. Oh, you're a quick one. Hey, Annie, how you doing? Huh?
Oh my God, how did Bridget get outside?
Whoa, Bridget, you're outside? Oh, you got me with that one. Oh, really? You're gonna pull this one on me too. Wow, Annie. I can't believe this. It's too far, man. It's too far.
It's like that.
You're the only one who hasn't been in yet, man.
Josh hasn't been in either. Josh and I are in this together, man. Come on.
I don't know how this is gonna work.